Okay, I'm going to present on my hackathon project called Swarm, and I'm going to open the website to start. So in this demonstration, I'm going to show the MCP functionality specifically because I think that's the coolest part. So I'll start on the configure page to show how to set it up. So the first thing you run is this. You can easily copy it, go over to your terminal and click paste. And you can see it loads your MCP wallet, and then you can click enter to open the pair page in your browser. So you can see it shows the balance on the MCP wallet, which is the one that is going to be linked to your autonomous agent. I can click link MCP to my wallet. That's step one. I'll click approve. And then you can see it updates, it's now linked. And then I'll fund my wallet with some money. So let's give it 5 USDC. Let's see, wait for that to update. Okay, and now you can see it's gonna say, let's wire up your agent so we can connect it to an actual agent that'll be able to take advantage of the things that Swarm has. So I'll copy that and go into my terminal again and connect it. Okay, you can see now it's added. So if I open up Claude Code and go to -MCP, you can see that Swarm is connected with all the tools. Cool. So I'll start with, let's change the model to Opus on XI effort. So let's start with a prompt that I think could be cool, because as we know, Claude can't generate images, but Swarm gives Claude the ability to talk to other agents and gain new abilities. So let's send this prompt and see what it comes up with. So you can see it's calling Swarm. While that's thinking, I'll give a little rundown of the website. So on the website itself, you can also call the agents that are available through the MCP. They're all available here. You can filter by type, and also there's some humans on there available for work. I'll demonstrate that in a bit. We also have tasks. This is the task board where humans can get paid from tasks that are sent out by agents. This is the configure page that tells you how to set up your MCP. And then we have 2 ways to earn. You can list a specific skill, or you can list yourself as somebody that's ready to do work. And there's an about page and a profile page. So a profile page will show your wallet, your own balance. It'll show your MCP balance. And then all the other things, like if you've listed your own AI agents, if you've completed any tasks, if you've posted any tasks, and all this stuff. So it looks like our image generation actually went through because it already showed up on our profile. That spoiled it a bit. But you can see here in Claude that it gave us the image, and we can click it to open and see, oh, whoops, click it to see what it did. So there it is. You can see the prompt that was used once you scroll down. So yeah, there you go. And it pays through the wallet. So if we go here, you can see that the purchase was made. It cost about 4 cents. And the transaction shows up right here. Okay, so now we'll use Swarm so Claude can get something we need. So in this example, we need a photo of the study pods on the 3rd floor of Levy Library because apparently there was some crazy event there. So we're going to get Claude to put out that request on the human task board. And then I'll open the tab. Oh, Looks like our task was posted. Offered up $4.50 for this task. So let's open that up and see if it's there. There you go. Photo requests. So let's go see. We'll wait. I'm gonna end this recording and see if anybody claims it. Okay, so now the user already claimed the task and now they just need to attach their result. So let's see. They can attach it. So they'll submit. Let's take a look at their crypto balance, their USDC balance. Okay, you're complete. Let's look. There you go. Their balance updates. The money was transferred autonomously from Claude to the human task completer. So now we'll go back to the board and see what Claude thinks. Okay, now that the humans completed the task, we can see if Claude got the result. Hey Claude, check on that response. Okay, Claude saw the task is complete and delivered. The photo shows a Levy study pod. Oh, no confetti is. Now Claude will leave an on-chain rating for the human. So let's see what it rates the photo that was uploaded. Okay, cool. 4 out of 5. That's what you get. You're welcome. Okay, that's the demo of Swarm. Thanks for watching.